Hello, folks. How you all are doing? Hope you are doing good and enjoying the FOSSASIA Summit. I am Shubham Patel, and today I'll be explaining why blockchain is called blockchain. So, let's dive into the history of Bitcoin and blockchain. In 2008, a personality known as Satoshi Nakamoto invented blockchain and Bitcoin. In 2009, the Bitcoin network was started. In 2010, first cryptocurrency stock exchange was launched, and in 2011, the value of one Bitcoin was equal to 1 USD, and now on the current scenario of 2021, you all know the value of Bitcoin and it's rising like this, a very good curve. Sorry, not a curve, but a very good line. And it's good actually. The cryptocurrencies, we should move on cryptocurrencies. Why? Because it's decentralized and it's honest. And many new cryptocurrencies are also emerging in this state, like Dogecoin. Second thing, Bitcoin is not actually blockchain. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency which works on blockchain. So, our main topic of the presentation. What is a blockchain? Blockchain consists of many blocks. A single block is made up of four things: a previous hash, which stores the hash value of a block; a timestamp, which stores the value of the time at which the particular block was created; a TX root, which consists of the multiple transactions in a particular block; and a nonce. Nonce is the value which, when added to the hash of a particular block, and the first 30 digits or 30 characters of that particular hash becomes 0. 30 indicates the level of that particular block. So like currently it is 30, but when the blockchain was first started, or when the Bitcoin was first started in 2009, it was 8. So like you need to add the value of nonce, that is 1 2 3 4 5 till n, until the first 30 characters of that particular hash value becomes 0. And this is the work, or this is the work which the miners do. And once the miner founds that particular nonce which is suitable for that particular hash value, he's awarded 6 Bitcoin according to current scenario. Back in 2009, the value a miner gets when he or she finds the particular nonce was 50 Bitcoin, but now it's 6, and it will be gradually decreasing as the mining of Bitcoin requires high computational powers and GPU powers. So this was the process by which a block is added into a blockchain and a transaction is been successfully performed. And blockchain is a decentralized network, and every person in the particular blockchain can notice everything, can witness everything, and see each and how a particular block is added into a blockchain and what are the new blocks which are added. You can further refer this PPT for getting a brief or an overview about blockchain. And I think in this new era, everyone should know about blockchain. And in FOSSASIA event itself, we have great speakers on blockchain. And I hope this was a short introduction of blockchain and you guys got an overview of it. At the last of the slides, I have mentioned some books which you can refer for getting in-depth knowledge of blockchain. You can also ping me on Twitter or any other handles. My Twitter handle is Shubham_Patel21. Thank you. I hope you like my small presentation, and I love to hear your doubts or have a conversation on you about blockchain.